total earning, time taken into hourly rate, time saved divided by standard time, it will be time taken into hourly rate. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing session 5, unit 4 of cost accounting, and the unit called as labor. In the previous session, we discussed about the topic called your labor, wholesale as well as row 1, and we discussed 2 to 3 problems in the previous session. In today's session also, we work out almost 3 problems on labor topic. The first 1 or 2 problems will be the basic one, and the last one will be extra adjustment or with adjustment. And whatever 3 problems we discussed today, it is all your previous year examination question paper problems. Now, so we'll go with the agenda like concept as well as problems. Now, problem number 6. Now, as per this, in this, from the following information, calculate the total earning and earnings per hour under wholesale plan as well as row 1 plan. Now, standard time allowed for job 30 hours is hourly rate is 25 rupees per hour. Now, all the informations are given directly, no need of calculation of any standard time or your time saved. Now, in this, as per whatever we used to do, we'll follow the same thing. In this, your standard time divided by time taken, you will get your time saved. Finally, we'll go for hourly rate. These are the information we are supposed to find out. Now, in this standard time, there are 2 persons are there. One is A, another one is B. Now, first one, the standard time will be given 30 hours, 30 hours. Time taken by A, 30. Time taken by B is 25. So, these are the information already available. Now, what is the hourly rate? Hourly rate is given 25. Now, 30 minus 30, time saved for the first person, 0. Second person, 30 minus 25, it is 0.5. And yes, these are the information we need to calculate our problem. Now, we'll go for the answer. Already we have done. For A, 30 minus 30, the time saved is 0. 30 minus 25, the time saved is 5 hours. Now, these are the information already we calculated in the previous slide itself. Now, so what is the formula for wholesale plan? Always remember, it is a small formula actually. Time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Similarly, time taken is 30, hourly rate is 25. Time saved is 0, hourly rate is 25. Now, 750 plus 25 multiplied with 0, it will be 0. Your answer is 750. You may ask the question, sir, if he has taken, instead of 30, he has taken 31 hours, then what is the time saved? Now, what is the standard time? 30. What is the time taken? 31. Time saved will be 0, not minus 1. Time saved you should consider 0. Now, so as per this calculation, we have done time saved by worker is nil. So, he is paid guaranteed time wages, which is assured under wholesale plan. See, time saved is 0. That's why we go with assured value. Now, similarly, the total earning, time taken, hourly rate, everything. See, 30 into 25, it is 750. Whatever we are doing, that is your row 1 plan. And wholesale plan, what we done here, it is only for Mr. A, and this is for B. Later, we'll go for row 1 plan. Time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate, 25 multiplied with 25, 5 multiplied with 25. Now, 625, half of 125, your final answer is 687.5. Hope you got this answer. So always while doing on the screen, please work out yourself. Take a book and work out. Later you can cross verify your answer with this answer. So these are the answers you got. Now, we'll go for the next one, row 1 plan. Now, as per row 1 plan, total earning, time taken into hourly rate, time saved divided by standard time, it will be time taken into hourly rate. Now, so Raju, we have 30 into 25, 30 into 25, time saved is 0 for first person. Your answer will be 0, your final answer will be 750. As per whatever you got in Halsey, same thing you will get in row 1. See, the answer will differ because the formula is different for Halsey, formula is different for row 1. But if the time saved is 0, then the answer will become same. Now, this is for A. Time saved by worker A is nil, so he has paid guaranteed time, wages which is assured under row 1 plan. Similarly, we'll go for B. The B calculation, time taken, hourly rate, final answer is 750. Time taken into hourly rate, your final answer, if you simplify, you will go with 729 is your answer. Hope you are clear. Good. Your problem number 6, this is your question. There is a solution for Halsey plan. Solution for Halsey plan. There is a solution for row 1 plan. Solution for row 1 plan. Now we are into problem number 7. As I told you, we'll go with extra adjustment. Now, calculate wages of worker under Halsey as well as row 1 plan. In this, standard time per unit is 2 hours. Number of units actually produced 625. Actual time taken 1000 hours. Hourly rate of wages is 5. So these are the informations available. Now, standard time per unit 2 hours. Number of units 625. Actual time taken 1000 and hourly rate is 5. What are the information we need? We need your standard time, time taken, you will get time saved. Finally, you need hourly rate. What is the hourly rate? Hourly rate is directly given. It is 5. Now, so standard time minus time taken, you will get time saved. Now, what is the standard time? Standard time per unit 2 hours. Per unit how much? 2 hours. Now, per unit 2 hours means how many units are produced? They have produced 625 units they have produced. Now, 625 units are produced means your time taken will be 625 multiply with 2 hours. Per unit how many hours they have taken? 2 hours. Now, units produced is 625. Standard time per unit is 2 hours. Standard, I'll write it here. 1250. Whatever we calculated, that is a standard time. What is the actual time? Actual time already given, it is 1000. So time saved is 250. Hope you are clear. I'll explain you again. Now, standard time is 625 into 2, it is 1250, means 625 minutes he has used and 2 hours per unit. Now, what is the actual time taken? 1000. So, even though they have given permission to complete in 1250 minutes or hours, he has taken only 1000 hours. How much is saved? 250 hours is saved. Now, similarly, what is the hourly rate? He got 5 rupees. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, so there are two options are there. You can go unit wise or else you can go for completely. Now, working out, time taken 1000 hours. Hourly rate. What is the hourly rate given? It is 5 hours. Here actual production is given. Standard time for actual production. Now, the calculation, see, 1 unit is 2 hours. 625 units will be 1250 hours. Just see your working out, your right corner. Now, time saved 1250 minus 1000, your time saved is 250. Hope you are clear. These calculation only we have done in the first slide itself. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, time taken 1000, hourly rate 5, half, time saved 250, hourly rate 5, multiply half of the 1250, 625. The final answer is 5625. Now, similarly, if you go for row 1 plan, total earning, time taken into hourly rate, time saved divided by standard time. If you do all the simplification, final answer you will get 6,000. There is only one person. We are calculating only for one person. So as per row 1 plan, your answer is 6,000. Clear? So this working note continuation, it is continued. Clear? Yes. Now, this is your problem number 7. Please take screenshot of problem 7. We'll go for problem number 8. This is your problem number 7. The working note I have done here itself. There's a left corner will be your solution. The right side is your working note. Left side is your solution. Right side is your working note. Yes. The last problem for the day. So this problem, the answers are not there. We will only work out. Now, take pen, calculator and book. Please work out with me. Now, calculate wages of worker under wholesale plan and row 1 plan. How many employees are there? How many workers are there? Unless they mention like XYZ, ABC, Ramu, Raju and Mohan, we have to assume that there is only one person, because whatever information they have given, it is only for one person. Now, standard time per unit, 4 hours. Per unit, how many hours they are using? 4 hours. Now, number of units actually produced, 1250. It is almost similar to your previous problem. Now, actual time taken is 2000 hours. Hourly rate is what? It is 10 rupee. These are the informations available. Now, we'll go with standard time, time taken, you will get time saved. Finally, hourly rate. These are the information. Now, standard time per unit. What is the standard time? It is 4 hours for 1250. Number of units actually produced 1250. How to calculate? I'll show you. 1250 into 4. You will get how much? Almost you will get 5000. Now, so number of units actually produced 1250. Standard time per unit is 4 hours. Multiply. If you multiply, you will get 5000 hours. But you completed in just 2000 hours, means you completed in 2000 hours. So your savings will be 3000. See, huge savings. Why? Because the time given is 5000, but you completed in just 2 hours. If he or she is expert in that, so that they can complete in earlier stage. Now, hourly rate is how much? Hourly rate they have given, it is 10 rupee. Hope you are clear. These are the information available and we calculated. Working note. Now, solution. As I told you, solution is not given in this. We are supposed to find out. So, you are also supposed to calculate along with me. Now, so time taken. What is the time taken? 2000 hours. Hourly rate. What is the hourly rate? 10 rupee. It is already calculated. See, all the informations are available. Now, plus 1 by 2 time saved. 3000 hours saved. What is the hourly rate? 10 rupee. Hope you are clear. Yes. 2000 into 10. 20,000 plus half. 3000 into 10, 30,000. I am going step by step. In your answer also, you have to do like this. Now, 2000, 20,000 will remain as it is. 30,000, half of the 30,000 is 15,000. Your final answer is 35,000. Hope you are clear now. Hope you are clear. Good. Your final answer, how much we got? 35,000 as per wholesale plan. In your examination, the working note you can write right sir or else before you start your problem, you work out your working note. Later, you can go for your answer. Now, we have done with your wholesale plan. We will go for your row 1 plan. As per row 1 plan, time taken. What is the time taken? 2000 hours. What is the hourly rate? 10 rupee. Plus time saved. What is the time saved? 3000. What is the standard time? 2000. Time taken. Similar, we copy paste, same thing. Now, 2000 into 10, it will become 20,000. Plus, so this calculation will be separate, this calculation will be separate. So, we'll calculate 3000 divided by 2000. And 2000 into 10, it will be 20,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, I am going step by step. 20,000 will remain as it is plus 3,000 minus 2,000. How to calculate? I'll calculate. 3,000 divided by 2,000. I got 1.50. So it is 1.50 multiplied with 20,000. Now calculate this 1.50. 1.50 into 20,000. I got around 30,000. What is the answer? 30,000. 20,000 plus 30,000. What is his wages? 50,000. If you go with the row 1 plan, how much he will get? He will get 50,000. If you go with the wholesale plan, he will get only 35,000. Hope you are clear. Now, see the calculation. 3,000 divided by 2,000 multiply with your 20,000. The savings, time saved is more. That's why he will get more wages. Now, so I'll go back to your previous slide. Please take screenshot. Your problem number 8, the solution part. As per wholesale plan is over. This is as per row 1 plan. So this is all about your today's session. We are ended with your topic called labor. This is all, whatever the problem we discussed, almost we discussed 8 problems. All are your examination problems only. These are more than sufficient for your examination purpose. In the next session, we go with new topic or new unit. Thank you.